When it comes to being successful in our lab, it's details.
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 We are located in the global veterinary medical research and development headquarters for Zoetis. It puts us right in the heart of research and development. And that's really important because it allows us to interface with over 900 scientists that we get to work with every single day to enhance our technology, to enhance predictions, and maybe more importantly, understand what the biggest challenges are to livestock producers globally and pet parents globally, veterinarians globally.
Any sample that's collected from around the world gets sent here to Kalamazoo. We take that sample, we go through various lab processes that take several days because that's the way the science and technology is built. So we'll take it through that process to eventually get out the underlying genetic data of that animal that we then use in our evaluations to produce those insights that you action.
From start to finish, you can assume that approximately 10 technicians will handle the sample throughout its life cycle. This technology that we use in the lab, it's a fine balance between meeting those turnaround time deadlines and minimizing risk.
What we try to do is have every step happen within 24 hours. Within 24 hours, it's moving to the next step, the next step, the next step. And we're also constantly looking at how do we decrease that? Where are the pain points, or where is the turnaround time the longest, and what are our options to actually reduce it?
The role that technicians play in the lab is huge. While we have all of this technology and we're always looking for ways for things to go faster, it's really the people that drive that. So you see technicians going above and beyond at all levels. The annual volume through the lab, last year we hit 2.2 million results. You would expect that when you're running that high of volume, things get lost. In general, that kind of element of care gets lost, right? But I don't think that happens here. We care about things as small as someone taking their animal to a 4-H show to making massive predictions, at an industrial level as well. The culture here supports that. We understand that there's different scenarios for testing with us and things like that. We really try to keep that a part of who we are.
Quality is very important to the process. We do not want to be giving wrong results to the customer. We want to make sure that what we're doing and giving to the customer is accurate. So those checks and balances in our system are very important.
The team that we have here in Kalamazoo is highly committed to the work that they do. So they come to work every day knowing that they're helping to transform animal health. We're also very committed to our training program, so that way we know that as people come into the lab and work on this testing, that they're very confident in the work that they're doing and how they need it to be done, so that way we can always ensure that it is accurate and correct the first time.
It's a high throughput, high efficiency laboratory coupled with a deep understanding and knowledge of research and development that we get to leverage to really get the best solutions for veterinarians, for producers, and for pet parents.